You're a model, eh?
Miss.
Miss?
Yes, are you?
I can see you walk around. Yeah.
I'm Tanzanian.
So you speak really good Swahili, yeah?
Really?
Let's do this in Swahili.
Sawa.
Basi tuambie maneno mawili matatu kuhusu.
Kujihusu.
Naitwa Patro Bamhina. Ni Miss USIU sasa hivi. Niko mwaka wa 3 USIU. Nasoma IBA, International Business Administration, lakini na concentrate kwenye finance na marketing.
Let me switch back to English because Kiingereza will stay here. So, have you ever been a member of a chama?
I am a member of
You are a member of a chama?
Yeah.
In Kenya?
Yeah, in Kenya.
In school?
In school. Yes.
So, what is the X factor? Why should we choose you?
Because I stand out, as in I can represent Kansas well. I've been in several contests. I'm a person who is well known, as in I can go through youth, through crowd. Yeah.
You're Tanzanian?
Yes.
So you have to work an extra mile to be able to get this particular opportunity.
But that's nice. Like if I go Tanzania, I'll be Kansas. If I go Kenya, I'll be Kansas. So I'll be like international. As each other. Yeah.
Kutatuvukisha border.
Yeah, nitavukisha border.
Okay, so what do you know about Kent Monsters? What do you know about it?
I know it's a It's a brand which has It's a tomato sauce thing, chili sauce. Okay. Ni kiungo au ni kitu ambacho kinatumika katika chakula kuleta ladha. Kinatumika mara nyingi kwenye chips. Pia mimi napenda kutumia kwenye wali ama kwenye vyakula vingine pia.
And what product kuna bidhaa mbalimbali?
Wana chili sauce, tomato, maji. Nimesikia pia Kent sauce inatengeneza na jam.
Okay.
Yeah. Na inatengeneza in flavors kama kuna garlic.
Or sweet.
Kuna nyingine ni spicy. Yeah. Hot and sweet.
So, thank you, my dear.
All right, thank you very much. Nice to meet you.